Hi, Jake. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. How was your class today?
It was interesting. We learned about world history. What about you?
My class was okay. We had a math test.
Oh, was it difficult?
Yes, a little, but I studied a lot.
That's good. I don't like math very much.
Me neither. What's your favorite subject?
I like science, especially biology.
That's great. I prefer literature. I love reading books.
Nice. What kind of books do you read?
I like novels and poetry. Do you read books?
Sometimes. I usually read science articles.
That's cool. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like playing guitar. What about you?
I enjoy painting. It's very relaxing.
That sounds fun. Do you paint every day?
Not every day, but I try to paint on weekends.
That's great. I play the guitar in the evenings.
Do you play in a band?
No, just for fun. But I want to join a band someday.
That's a nice goal. I would love to see you play.
Thank you. Maybe one day.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family. And you?
I will go to an art exhibition.
That sounds interesting. Where is it?
It's in the city centre. Would you like to come?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. Let's go together on Saturday.
Perfect. What time?
How about 2 p.m.?
That works for me.
Okay, see you on Saturday.
See you. Have a nice day.
You too.
By the way, are you planning to join any university clubs?
Yes, I'm thinking about joining the drama club. I love acting.
That's amazing. I've never acted before, but it sounds fun.
You should try. It's a great way to meet new people and gain confidence.
Maybe I will. Are there any events coming up?
Yes, there's an audition for a play next week. You can come and watch if you like.
That sounds interesting. I'll think about it.
Cool. What about you? Any clubs you want to join?
I'm considering the sports club. I like playing basketball.
That's great. Do you play often?
Yes, I play with my friends every weekend. We have a small team.
That's nice. Maybe I'll come and watch a game sometime.
You're welcome anytime. Do you like sports?
I like swimming. It's very refreshing.
That's cool. Do you swim at the university pool?
Yes, I go there twice a week. It helps me relax after classes.
Sounds like a great way to stay healthy.
Yes, exercise is important. Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes I prefer outdoor activities like running.
Running is good too. Maybe we can go jogging together sometime.
That's a great idea. Let's plan for next week.
Sure. Let's talk about it on Saturday at the exhibition.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you soon.